Samsung Galaxy A23 is expected to be released on February 28, 2022. Samsung's expected price is $328. Samsung is set to release its all-new Galaxy A23 smartphone in the near future. The South Korean firm is working on a new A-series smartphone. The smartphone contains a MediaTek Helio chipset, which is the most powerful chipset on the market, and a 2 GHz octa-core processor inside the Samsung Galaxy A23 to make the device incredibly speedy. The smartphone's display screen is 6.4 inches and offers Full HD with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The new Samsung Galaxy A23 features the most up-to-date Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which is well known for its excellent performance. Samsung's Galaxy A23 smartphone has an 8GB RAM capacity, which is often seen in high-end smartphones from most vendors. The Samsung A23 will have a 128GB internal storage capacity. This is a significant quantity of storage space, allowing the device's user to save a large amount of data for future use. The Samsung Galaxy A23 with a triple camera configuration will be included in the smartphone. The phone's main camera will be a 50-megapixel f1.8 wide sensor, as well as a 5-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. The 8-megapixel f2.0 wide selfie camera will be used to capture images and videos of your loved ones. The Samsung Galaxy A23 features a side-mounted fingerprint reader. The Galaxy A23's battery capacity will be around 5000 mAh. This is sufficient power for this smartphone, and the battery may be charged at a rate of 25 watt. This phone running on Android 12 operating system. In addition, this smartphone includes compatibility for the following features, such as dual SIM, 5G, microSD card up to 1 TB, LED flashlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, USB Type-C 2.0, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, proximity, and 3.5mm audio jack. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.